Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are doing another burp video. I got 350 subscribers, so we're gonna do it right now. Let's stop the talking and let's go. Oh, that was good. And by the way, for the next burp video, I'm still waiting on the next challenge that I'm gonna make you guys do, but I'll tell you in my community tab on my channel. Oh. Oh, yes, yes. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, hit that like button and the subscribe button on notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Wink.